Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a workspace in Zoho Analytics. Sharing a workspace offers several benefits. It allows multiple users to collaborate on data analysis, team members can work together, share insights and contribute, enhancing efficiency and productivity. When you share a workspace, any updates or changes made to the data, reports or dashboards in that workspace will be visible to all the shared users in real time. Zoho Analytics also provides control over the access levels of shared users. You can decide who can view, edit or delete the reports and dashboards in that workspace. It simplifies communication, where users can leave comments, provide feedback and have discussions within the workspace, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. And users can also access the space from any device with an internet connection, improving data-driven decision-making and promoting teamwork in your organization. So let's get started, and here's a step-by-step guide for you. Log into your Zoho Analytics and navigate to the workspace that you would like to share. Click on that, and in the top left-hand corner, click Share. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Workspace Admins. A pop-up will appear, and here you can see you can add a user. You can pick the role, and you can either type in the email address here or pick from a list of users. I'm going to add in this one, just drag and drop and click Add, and there you have it. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released.